Meteorologist Eddie Holmes with West Tennessee Weather Online with a weather briefing for you in face of this winter storm coming in. We'll begin by taking a look at the overview. A major winter storm is developing tonight and will be moving into the area overnight. Blizzard warnings are in effect for portions of the area, and winter weather advisories encompass several counties of our West Tennessee area. Hazardous to dangerous travel conditions will develop during the overnight hours. Here's a look at the advisories and warning configuration as far as the counties are concerned. First of all, you'll notice the blizzard warning that's in effect. That includes Lake, Obion, Dyer, and Lauderdale counties. I'll also have them highlighted for the adjacent states in light of the travel that's possible across the area on this holiday. A winter weather advisory is included for Benton and Henry counties, and then back southwest, Weakley, Carroll, Gibson, Crockett, Haywood, Fayette, Tipton, and Shelby. Now, generally south of Interstate 40 and from Madison and Hardeman back in the southeast corner of West Tennessee, which includes Madison, Hardeman, Henderson, Chester, Decatur, Hardin, and McNary. Well, there are no winter weather advisories at all. There is a wind advisory, but that's in effect for all counties of West Tennessee. Now, this afternoon, weather radar at late afternoon showed the precipitation field. This is all rain with some heavier pockets of rain, and in fact, there may be some sleet involved in this area moving north into northwest Tennessee as of 5:15. Notice this dark area here. This is generally precipitation free. This is what we call a dry slot that is that's dry area wrapping into the storm. Now, this is the winter weather portion of the storm, and so what is going to happen is this rain will continue to lift up. The dry slot will move over West Tennessee, so several areas will see virtually precipitation free period, maybe lasting a few hours. Then the winter weather will move in. This is where the accumulating snow will come in, colder air, temperatures falling, and we'll get at and below freezing, especially in the winter weather advisory and blizzard warning areas. The big thing too is the wind that will be kicking up with sustained winds of 20 to 25 miles an hour, and we will see gusts of 35 to 45 miles an hour, especially in portions of northwest Tennessee. And that will kick up the snow naturally as it's falling and has fallen on the ground, and it will produce hazardous driving. Just from the wind itself, it will cause problems, but with the snow in place, you're talking about reduced visibilities ongoing in many areas, and in fact in the blizzard warning areas the visibilities will get into a whiteout condition. So that just simply means that the visibility is reduced to zero just about in all directions. Let's take a look at the current accumulation forecast in the blizzard warning area. Basically a 4-inch plus accumulation is expected, and again with winds gusting like they're expecting to, we will see drifting snow, and several inches of drifting will go on. Higher snowfall amounts back over in Arkansas and the Missouri Boot Heel. Notice from Paris, Puryear to Greenfield, Trenton, back Ripley, Covington, and then into most of Memphis, 2 to 4 inches expected, with a 1 inch to 2 inch stripe extending from Collierville to Brownsville, picking up southern Gibson County and into Carroll County and the Camden area, and then south of I-40, like I said a while ago, and then to the east of Somerville and Moscow, we're looking for 1/2 to 1 inch max across the area. Now, the recap reminds you about visibility has been reduced in Lake, Obion, Dyer, and Lauderdale counties. The snow and sleet accumulation generally 4 inches or more. Timing of the event, rain will be changing over to snow this evening and will continue through the early morning hours. Snow will become heavy at times. There's the sustained winds that you need to be advised about, and reduced visibilities are anticipated. That's it for now. This is Eddie Holmes, West Tennessee Weather Online, with your weather briefing.